Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Ella, and I am a Salesforce consultant at SOLVD.cloud, where we help people automate their businesses through the use of AI and Salesforce. And today we're going to be diving into a question that's on a lot of people's minds as AI continues to revolutionize the tech world. Do you really need to be a coding wizard to build amazing things with AI-assisted coding tools? Let's break it down. To reiterate the question we will be answering today one more time, it is, do I need to be able to code to build with AI-assisted coding? So the short answer is not necessarily, but it definitely helps. Think of AI-assisted coding as having a super smart, super fast pair programmer by your side. You can write boilerplate code, suggest completions, debug errors, and even refactor existing code. This means that even if you're a complete beginner, you can start to piece together simple applications and learn the fundamentals along the way. These AI-assisted coding tools can handle a lot of the groundwork, allowing you to focus on the higher level logic and the overall vision of your project. You can describe what you want to achieve in plain language, and the AI can often translate that into code, often now called vibe coding. This lowers the barrier to entry significantly and opens up the world of software development to a much wider audience. However, let's be realistic. While AI can be incredibly helpful, it's not a magic bullet. Understanding the basic principles of programming, things like variables, loops, functions, and data structures, will make you a much more effective user of these tools. Think of it like this. If you want to build a house, you don't necessarily need to be a master carpenter to use power tools. But knowing how a hammer and nails work, understanding the basic construction principles, and being able to read a blueprint will make you much better at the job and allow you to create something truly impressive. Now, let's get a tad bit more practical. One of the popular AI-assisted coding editors out there is called Cursor. It's built on top of VS Code and integrates AI features directly into your workflow. So I'm going to show you an example using vibe coding to create a landing page for a website using React and Tailwind in Cursor to show how easy it is to create code through AI while also having to know at least some of the fundamentals. Okay, so as you can see, I have Cursor pulled up over here on the right, and I just have my web page over here on the left. I basically just asked AI to create me a landing page, and this is what it gave me. So kind of cool. Obviously doesn't look as good as it could look right now. We need to kind of change some things, but pretty cool that in 30 seconds, AI was able to just code this whole landing page for me. As you can see though, on there, we have a get started button, and it currently doesn't work when you click on it. So I'm just gonna go over to AI and ask it, basically, can you create a get started landing page or just a page and link it to that button? So I'm just gonna type that in real quick. And then once I do that, I'm going to click enter, which will then get the AI and it will start working on it. Kind of cool. It kind of just says some things that it's working on. It says, I'll help you create a get started page. Sometimes it does take a little while for it to actually generate the code. But in my opinion, I'd rather it take longer and actually get the code correct than just quickly spit out code that I have to go through and fix, which in this case, especially in this video, is pretty nice to just have code that's correct the first time. Because if you're a new beginner at coding, debugging might be a little bit harder if you don't really know what's going on. So as you can see here, it's still just trying to work on that get started.tsx file, and it just created it. You can see on the left that it is now over in my files in my source folder. And again, it just takes a little bit of time. But now it's just going to update my app.tsx file to make sure that that is working. So yeah, just again, takes a little bit. Currently setting up the React router, because in order to use React, you have to have a router. In a second, I might get an error pulled up on my web page just because I don't have that router installed yet. Oh, there it is. So that just needs to get installed. Over on the right, you can see the AI knows this. It just said that, and it asks me if I want to install the React router.dom/dom. And so I said run, and now I did that, and you can see that error went away. So now it's just going through, and now it's adding in the routing and everything. And you can see at the end, it kind of outputs. This is what I did. This is the things I implemented. So now I'm going to go over to my get started, just refresh my web page and click get started. And now it's working. There's my welcome to our platform page. Obviously, it could be look a little bit better, which you could probably work with AI a little bit more. But for our purposes, we're just going to show that it's pretty easy just to ask AI to do something with vibe coding and then just be done. So that's how you use Cursor. Pretty fun. Over here on the right too, you can accept the changes and it will show in red and green. And yeah, pretty easy. This was just a basic example to show how easy it is to build code with AI. Cursor and other AI-assisted coding tools offer a wide range of features that can significantly speed up your development process, regardless of your coding experience level. So, to bring it all together, while you don't need to be a coding expert to start building with AI Assistant, having a foundational understanding of your programming concepts, like I did with the router when that error came up, will empower you to use these tools more effectively, understand the code they generate, and ultimately create more sophisticated and robust applications. If you are a new coder, though, and want to start using AI, it can help you significantly as you start learning and understanding the code. Think of AI as a powerful amplifier for your existing skills or a helpful guide as you begin your coding journey. All right, that is all that I have for you guys today, and thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, we have a ton of great videos on the Solve.cloud YouTube channel with other consultants just like me, going over Salesforce, AI, you name it. If you did like this video, make sure to like, comment, and share it with people that you know. And if you would like to figure out how to use AI in your businesses to help automate your processes, head over to the Solve.cloud website where you can talk to the consultant today about how you can integrate AI into your systems. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.